So this is my first recording using my new droid. It's a Razer M. Yeah, so I'm not really planning on actually showing my face right now because I'm just relaxing, and I just wanted to see if I could actually record a video. So here's some ideas that I had. Maybe I could share them with you. Well, first of all, I've been listening to all these podcasts and radio shows, and I've been listening a lot to C-SPAN radio. And I said to my dad, I saw him, it was great to see you, Dad, and it was great to hang out. And well, we went to the opera at Florum. You could check it out, www.operaatflorum.com, FLORHAM.com. And, well, my grandma started an opera competition 25 years ago, and it's going strong still 1 year after she passed. So it was nice to see the family there, or at least part of the family. And it was great to see how people were touched by her work. There was a lot to do. And we also went to the Aviation Hall of Fame in Teterboro Airport. That was also very interesting. It was an open day, and that was really great. So, and then we went to New York and saw the Freedom Tower, and that was really nice. Just scratching my feet here. So, yeah. So this is going to be my little radio show, and now that I've got an Android and I can record and upload videos, or even just text, you can then listen to my voice. So 2 minutes into the program. So I was thinking about, well, Verizon said that if you that the phone is worth $600, and if you jailbreak it, you void the warranty, and the warranty is good for, there's $100 down payment, or is it minimum? Not minimum, I don't know the exact term, but basically you have to pay $100 and they'll replace your phone. So, so I'm wondering what I can do with this phone without jailbreaking it. So the first thing I did is I set up a new Gmail account so that if someone steals my phone, they won't have access to my Gmail. They'll just have access to this account, which I'm only going to use on the phone. It also doesn't have the same secure password that I have on my Gmail account, so it's basically a reduced security account. It doesn't have a credit card associated with it. And I would suggest to all of you not to use the same account everywhere, even if it is technically Google wants you to have only one account. But in general, if I work on a project, I create a new Gmail account so I can send and receive emails from there. Although on my current project I haven't done that actually. I just don't send any emails from there that are private, except really basic ones that I don't mind people reading. One time I was on a project, I was actually working as an employee, and I sent a private email, and I was pretty sure that they were reading it. I don't know exactly, but I was sending to my father about some private information, and the email was bouncing, and I was thinking, well, the email administrator, I knew him, and he wasn't the most friendliest person to me, so I thought he would be able to read those bounces. So then I realized, well, I shouldn't be actually sending private information from my email. But if you use your Yahoo or Gmail account at work, they can also read those emails. So the most secure thing to do is to, in my opinion, is to create a new account and only use that account on that one project, so that if the account is compromised, then it could be used. The people could only get that information. It doesn't really matter. So it's about creating firewalls or layers of security. Disposable accounts, basically. So, well, that's one topic. So the other thing I was thinking about is, well, what can you put on a phone? What can you do with a phone? I guess you'd have to get the app. In order to install an app, you have to get it on the App Store. But, well, I guess if you rooted the phone, you'd void the warranty. But you could always go to the Verizon and say to them, I don't know how it happened. My phone got rooted. Or you could find out a way to restore the phone. Maybe you could take a backup of it. I mean, there's got to be a way to install software that's not from the Google Play Store. Maybe you can write your own program. So I guess the first thing you need to get is a compiler where you can compile code on your phone. That'd be nice. I'll have to look into that. But then you got the SDK, so the development kits. I started looking into that, but they're so huge, and anyway, Firefox says that the web is the app. The web is the platform, and you should make your apps to be HTML5, which basically means HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And that would be your application. I think that's a pretty good idea. So I was thinking about compiling, well, you got GWT, which will compile Java code. You've got Pyjamas, which will compile Python code to JavaScript. So you can create more complicated JavaScript applications.